All right, we're here to talk about item number 3 on your color pencil worksheet, which is our gradient that goes from yellow, orange, red to purple, a sunset sky. So with this one, you want to fill each area in the dashed line with its color. So make sure you go yellow, orange, red, purple. And the key is when you want to blend these together, you've got to take one color into the other. So I have to take some orange here and lightly bring it in to the yellow. As you want it to fade, you have to lay off the pressure a bit and just let it ease up. And just make this as even as possible, as always. Take your time to even it out. You can even go different directions as long as you're really careful with your pressure. And that can help to keep it nice and even, fill everything in. So take a look at one that's more complete. And what we want to do here is we've got it all blended. Everything's blended nice and neat. We can do the last step, which is called burnishing. If you look at item 2, we have light, medium, medium, and heavy pressure. Heavy pressure is the burnishing step. What that does is it saturates the color and really locks it into place. So to burnish, what I need are the colors that I had used to fill it in. So I'll start with like a lighter color like my yellow, and I'll just move up through orange into red and purple. To burnish, I just take my yellow and I just press harder. And you can use like a medium heavy to a heavy pressure. And you'll see that it'll flatten out the texture in the paper and it'll really lock the colors in and make them look really saturated. So I'll burnish into some of the orange here, right up to this dashed line. I'll even burnish over that area a little bit. So what do I do when I get to the orange? If I want to burnish with orange now, I'm gonna do some burnishing here, and then I'm gonna ease up on the pressure a little bit as I go. So now I'm kind of going a little bit lighter. Find the orange I want to use and burnish. You can see that really saturating, pushing all the red and orange together. But here you can see that has like a clear line where I stopped. So I'll match that pressure and then I'll kind of ease up a little bit. So I'm going to try to blend these two areas where I burnished with different colors by easing up the pressure for the burnishing. And that way, it'll keep everything looking smooth and saturated. Now, same thing, I just have to ease up on my burnishing as I get up into the red, then find my red and saturate that area, burnish, fade them together. This takes a little bit of practice, but it's all about pressing hard and then easing up. All right, see what you can do.